and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much guys for clicking on today's video. So guys, today's video is an empty house tour. I'm going to show you guys what this beautiful house is like. Yeah, finally you guys, we finally at last, after I think this is after this is after 3 months. After looking for a house for 3 months, we finally were able to get a house that we liked. Because to be honest, it's not really easy to find something you like, even though this house does not really have all that we want, but at least it has about, I think, 50 or 60% of what we want. And yeah, we are happy to be moving into this house. So yeah, I'm going to be showing you guys what this house looks like. This house is really beautiful, super portable, but a bit on the high side. We kind of exceeded our budget because we wanted something that we will really like. And yeah, before I start up this video, I'm going to mention a few things. I'm going to say that in a place like Bristol in United Kingdom, Bristol is a bit expensive, yeah, when it comes to rent, but I feel like other things are same with other places. I feel like Bristol, I think, can be compared to London, because on the internet you see that some places are more affordable, but Bristol is a bit on the high side when it comes to house rent. So we kind of had to exceed our budget, because what we are paying here is a bit higher than what we budgeted, what we plan to pay. Another thing I think about houses in Bristol is that they have a lot of tiny, like, small rooms. Their rooms are not big. I have viewed about, if I am not exaggerating, I think I've viewed about 22 or 23 houses, and out of these 22 or 23 houses, I can tell you that it's just about 2 houses that had very big rooms. You know, the kind of rooms you see in Nigeria. For someone like me that's coming from Nigeria and that is used to space, like, I love space. For someone like me, I feel like it's just 2 houses that I have seen with very big rooms. And then another thing also that I want to say when it comes to house hunting, or maybe I'm going to say this in a separate video, because I have about 3 people that have asked me that they want to know what it is like getting a place and accommodation here. So I think I'm going to make a detailed video. But before then, I just want to chip in 1 or 2 things. Yeah, I want to say that I don't even know where I stopped before oh my gosh. You guys should bear with me. Meanwhile, before then, do you like my outfit? At least this one is hiding my baby bump a little. So guys, yeah, oh my god, you guys, I can't even remember what I was about saying, or what I intended, what I was saying. Like, I can't even remember. So yeah, so another thing I want to say when it comes to renting is that, okay, yeah, okay, I wanted to say that it is very important. I'm sorry, Obi. I cannot hit Obi's head. Okay, I wanted to say that it is very important that when you're online searching for a house, make sure that you're online like every day or every 2 days, so that you might be among the first 2 people that will view a house. Because I feel like they consider first 2 people that views a house and likes it. The agents consider them first, because for this house, I was the second person that viewed this house. I think the first person didn't meet up, so they had to call me to, come get this house. So guys, without further ado, I'm going to make a detailed video to tell you guys what it entails, because you also need to have some documents ready. If you don't have those documents, forget about renting in Bristol. So I'm going to show you guys what this house looks like. This house is beautiful and I love it so much. Okay guys, so yeah, this is what the entrance looks like. Obi, can you say hi? Good. This is what the entrance looks like, and this first door we have the downstairs toilet. This is this downstairs toilet. So like I said, we have been here like severally, so we had to put the carpet, put in some, you know, tissues. And then the next door is a little store. Okay, so we brought in that's the newborn's buggy. We're yet to open it. Obi, come out now. And then this door leads to the kitchen. So this is the kitchen. You guys, the kitchen is really portable. Not as big as the kitchen I used to have, but it's cool. And then in the kitchen we have, in the kitchen we have the fridge, and we also have the freezer. And the amazing thing is that back in my old house, my fridge is bad, but the freezer is working. So we're not bringing in that. We're going to make use of this. And then I'll bring in my freezer. I have a freezer that I'm going to bring in. I haven't figured out where to put that yet. Now come out, baby, come out, Obi. Good. Okay, then we have a washing machine here, which I think we might probably not use because this doesn't have a dryer. So I think we're going to bring in ours. So yeah, you guys, this is what the kitchen is like. It's cool. Come on, Obi. So I'm going to show you guys the living room. This is the living room. This is the living room. That's Obi's buggy. That is our mover. Okay, so the living room leads to the garden. Has a very little garden, portable, beautiful little garden where the kids can play. Okay guys, let's go upstairs. Come on, Obi, let's go upstairs. 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 So this is the main bathroom. This is the main bathroom and toilet. And it has a bath. You guys, the reason why I love my toilet to have a bath is because sometimes I have to bathe my kids, you know, together. And you know, as a mom, we're always looking for ways that can make things easier for us, you know. So I just want to have a bath wherever I'm renting, so that once I put water, you know, I'll put in Kaima and Obi and bathe them at the same time. And we'll avoid that stress of, you know, bathing this one and then bathing the other one later. So this is the first room. We brought in our pillowcases and duvet because some people are going to come and install the bed for us. We're bringing in a new bed. So yeah, this is the first room. And then let me show you guys the second room. This is another room. Another room. And then this is meant to be Kaima's room. This is Kaima's room. And she has a little wardrobe here. She has a little wardrobe here. And the beautiful thing about this Kaima's room is that there's a store up there. So when you open there and climb up, you see that there's a very big room up there that you can go in and pack in your things. So we have a store where we can pack in some of our clothes that maybe we're not really using, or pack in some things that we're not really using. So, but that's my husband's work, it's not my work at all. So guys, yeah, this is it about this house. So guys, this is it about this house. I'm so excited. I can't wait to, you know, move into this place and start enjoying my space, you know. I'm happy that we were able to get this place. I'm happy that at least Kema will get to move into her own room, because to be honest, when I brought Kema from Nigeria, we refused to let her stay alone. And when we had Obi, we just kind of brought the whole children into our own space. We refused to let Kaima stay in her room, and Kaima is a big girl now. She needs to start sleeping in her room. And likewise Obi, likewise a newborn, and because we're expecting a new baby, it is really important for us to be able to figure out, you know, where every child, the children can be, you know. So yeah, I'm happy that we're able to get this place. And yeah, I love this place, I love the space, I love everything about this house. I'm going to enjoy this house. So guys, yeah, thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this our portable house tour. So I'll see you guys in another video. Bye guys. Well, come and say bye guys, Obi. Come here and see. I can't lift you up. You guys, I cannot lift Obi up because of my uku. I can't lift him up, but Obi is saying bye guys. Come this way. Come and stand here and say bye guys. Come stand here. Say bye guys.